Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today I want to treat us on how to place trade using our MT5. Placing trade using MT5 could be carried out in three major different forms, either on market execution, on buy limit or on sell limit. Let's practice market execution. First of all, you select it's either asset or the currency pair or the crypto you want to trade. I'll be using BTC as an example. So I select BTC. Let's say you want to buy BTC. You are going for a long. What you do, you move to trade. You click the plus on the upper right corner. Then you set your lot. It's either you are using 1 or 2 or any lot of your choice. You can use 0.01. But remember, the higher the lot, the higher the risk. So after setting your lot, then you place your trade by clicking the buy by market. After you've placed your trade, you set your stop loss. Let's assume that our stop loss is at 69190. You go here, click on the open trade, click on modify, put 69190 and modify. You have inputted your stop loss. And let's assume that our take profit is at 69500. You go back to the trade, you click on the trade, you click on modify, then you input 69500 and you modify. This is how to place trade using the market execution. So how do we place trade using the buy limit? First of all, you select the asset or the currency or the crypto you want to trade. We are using BTC as an example here. You go to trade. After your analysis, you go to trade. You click on the plus at the upper right corner. Then you change to buy limit. When you change to buy limit, you know the exact place in which you want your trade to be triggered. Let's assume you want your trade to be triggered at buy at 69213. 69213. You input 69213 and place. Once you place, and let's assume that you want your stop loss to be at 69189. 69189. You modify stop loss 69189. Modify. You have placed your trade on buy limit. So the same way, you look for a place for your TP. Let's assume that your TP is at 69500. You click on the buy limit trade, you modify 69500. You modify. You have successfully completed your trade placing using the buy limit, and you still carry out this process in the sell limit also, just a vice versa. Thank you.